Decided to do the foundation apprenticeship because in my last year of high school I wanted to do advanced health and food technology, but then my health and food tech teacher told me about the foundation apprenticeship and how it was newly running in Dumfries&Galloway. That would be a good learning point trying to figure out how food production works.
I'm mainly interested in food and the food industry. Taking this course gave me a good insight to the different jobs you can do.
Well, I've got really interested in food science, the future aspects of food.
When looking at my future career aspects, it's quite a science-based career I'm looking at, but I also have an interest in food, so through the course it allowed me to explore science through food.
It's been really good. I've really enjoyed the individual learning aspect of it. I think it's really good because it sets me up for university. I'd recommend this course to anyone who enjoys individual work and group tasks.
So I applied for the original SVQ2 when I was working in the factory, and they rolled it out to everyone and gave everybody the option, so I snapped that up straight away. I'd only began working in the factory, so it was a very new experience for me, coming straight from school.
I would say that it's a fantastic opportunity to study a foundation apprenticeship. It's especially good if you're in sixth year at school, you have a special interest in the subject that you're going to be studying for a foundation apprenticeship, and it's real life learning.
We have students that go on to do research and PhDs. We have students that go and work in technical departments. There are so many weird and wonderful and diverse areas that you can work in the food industry.
Now that I know all the opportunities, I would like to be a food product developer. So you can work in a lab, you can be a researcher, you can be a technician inside the lab. So there are honestly a lot of opportunities, and it's amazing.
Work-based learning with Coca-Cola recently. We went through that and did examples and a little task on it.
If you kind of take a course like this, it just shows you all aspects of it, so you might kind of get a better understanding of what you want to do.
I think young people starting in this industry, I think it's vital for the future generation. Food's important. Regardless what you do, people need to eat. It's a great career path for all young men and women to consider. There's lots of opportunities.
I think one of the huge advantages of pupils studying a foundation apprenticeship over pupils who don't study a foundation apprenticeship is the work-based learning element.
The food industry is the place to be if you want a good future.
Even if one day maybe I will change idea about my future, about what I would like to do, I'm still pretty sure that this course helped me just become me.